All right, here we are, last morning on Hot Rod Power Tour 2025. Just had some breakfast. Me and Rob are about to head out and do the rest of the tour and meet up with some friends. You ready, Rob?
Let's go.
All right, let's go.
My plan.
All right, I'll be there in a minute. Just got here to final day, and I got a parking spot here with Pilot Transport. And then here's my friends at Mopar Connection Magazine. I want to thank the Pilot Transport guys for allowing me the opportunity to park in their booth. Hey Kevin, here we are, last day of Hot Rod Power Tour. You drove the entire thing in your 69 Charger RT. How you doing?
Doing great. The Charger did surprisingly well. Very few little hiccups with the car, just minor stuff. Number one, I got a wonky plug for the fuel pump that just basically, I got an 86 that can just do a nice, nice solid link on that one.
Gotcha.
And of all the things that broke off, believe it or not, the air cleaner stud broke, so I had to replace that last night. But of all the things that go wrong, hey man, I'm counting my blessings. That's great.
And you got a 9-hour drive home?
It's about 8, but you figure with stops it'll be 9.
All right, man. Well, it was good hanging with you on this tour, and I will see you hopefully next year. All right?
Absolutely, Ryan. Thank
all right.
you so much.
And thank you, Morgan. Bye. So they're giving away the signs up next to the track, and this is the line for signs. And it goes way back there. There's Newburn's car, there's Cotton's car, there's Jeff's car, and a few other cars. Alright, got my sign. I'm going to go drop it at the car and go start taking some pictures and video at the actual event. And just to give you an idea, this thing is, they got it packed. This thing is crazy. Look at that, all the way down. Hey, if you guys see me walking around taking pictures and video, stop me and say hi, because I got free magnets from Barn Finds at McCacken on me of the Crazy Cuda. Oh, there goes Kenny Wayne Shepherd. Can you see? He's driving his duster there. My friend with the 70 Superbird made it. Now I just gotta go find the other Superbirds, because there's more here, I've heard. This is something you don't see every day. 1979 Chrysler 300. 1 year only 300. Based on a Cordoba, basically. But this one's a nice clean example. Red velour, or maybe even Corinthian leather. Automatic. Actually a really nice car. Okay, I walked all the way to the entrance so that way I could just sit here and watch the cars roll in and take pictures. See what's going on. Just sitting here at the very edge watching the cars come and go. Still tons of cars. You can see there's a long line of cars still coming in. It's only noon local time, so that's really cool. I'm going to sit here for probably another hour and then start making my way back and get out of here. Okay, well I've shot some of the more important ones I wanted to, so I'm going to start heading off back to my car and get ready to head home. Ooh, a Mirage. That Spider. Oh, but it's like hard to leave. Ooh, there's a Hemi pickup. LSX Nova. Plymouth pickup truck, 442. Alright, I gotta start walking. Walking back towards my car. Go take some more pictures. But, starting to spit some rain here and there. Drop off my camera because I killed both batteries. Put in new ones, and then, I don't know, maybe head towards home. Here it is, end of the day. They're doing like giveaways and such. And now it's starting to rain a little harder. This is great. So, they're getting ready to actually race. The rain has let up. So, they're getting lined up. Alright, so I'm here with Morgan of 2 Dream Rides on Instagram. And this is her like 90th long haul. And you're like, okay, whatever. She drives like a new car. No. She drives a 72 or 71? 72 El Camino that she autocrosses and does all the long hauls with. Morgan, how'd it go this week?
It was a great week on Power Tour. The weather has been perfect. I think it's the most people we've seen out on the streets waving, and for me, like, a big part of it is who we meet along the way, and we've met some great characters and had some great smiles and waved along the way.
Absolutely. Oh man, Lowell, Indiana.
Oh, it's
that was
amazing.
amazing.
Yeah.
I've never seen it. It was it was a decent sized town, and it was full.
Full of people. We were
Absolutely.
just waving nonstop the whole time.
I wish I was one of the guys that had the toy cars to throw kids.
Yeah, I don't have toy cars either. I don't have a passenger to throw toy cars.
Me
So
neither.
I'm just driving and waving the whole time. But it was a great tour this year for sure.
All right, here we go. I'm finishing up right now, heading back to my car. Gonna dig it out and head out. All right, just got back to the garage. Gonna unload the Challenger and then head home. And Hot Rod Power Tour 2025 is at an end. I'll talk more about it next week and some of the funny stories. But let me know what you think. It was good to hear feedback. I'm gonna go sleep, I think, for like 2 days.